Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to be reviewing SVGStorm, which we think is really cool and useful. We'll be talking about what the software does, how it works, and why we think it's worth checking out. We know that there are some traditional options out there when it comes to vectorizing the raster images. You can use Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW to vectorize your images, but these options are not available to everyone. Plus, they will cost you time, effort, skill, and money. That's why we're here to give you SVGStorm, a free online tool that allows you to convert raster images to vectors. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. We'll start by giving you a brief overview of what it does and how it can help you. Then, we'll go over some of its key features and show you how it works in action. Finally, we'll wrap up with our thoughts on the software and whether we think it's worth your time and money. First, go to SVGConverter.app. Open the app. Now, upload your raster image. SVGStorm supports all the common file formats. That includes PNG, JPG, JPEG, BMP, TIFF, WEBP, AVIF, and PDF. Once you upload the image, your image is displayed in the left canvas. And the right canvas shows the vectorized result. Click the Vectorize button. And voila! You will have a vector image over here. If you zoom in, you can see this is a vector. There is no pixelation. While here we see pixels, because it's a raster. If you are satisfied, you can download the vector in SVG, AI, EPS, or PDF. Since we know this is not a finished vector. There is an undesired patch on the chin of the cartoon. There are clutters over here and there. We promise to fix all of these. And in the end, we will have a nice professionally looking vector. So, stay tuned and watch until the end. Let's go through all the functionalities one by one. So, let's start here. By default, when you first upload the image, the color option is turned on and Unlimited is selected. Now, what does Unlimited do? The Unlimited option automatically generates the maximum number of colors in the vector. This option gives the best result for real-life images and photos. For images with a limited number of colors, creating a custom color palette is recommended. To create a custom color palette, click on Custom. Here, you can enter any number to generate a palette. Or you can create a palette by manually picking colors from the image. In our sample image, we have 4 distinct colors: orange from the background, magenta from the nose, brownish yellow from the tiger skins, and black from the outlines. You can also manually enter RGB values of a color. Now, click the Save button. And click Vectorize. As we can see, this is a much better vector than what we got earlier using the Unlimited option. Now, we will learn how to get rid of this clutter on the tiger's chin. When Custom is selected, the blending option becomes visible. What is blending? You can think of it as an initial mixing of colors in the image before the selected custom palette is applied. It is useful when the raster image has visual artifacts. In our image, we have a blurry patch on the tiger chin, which converts into this clutter. You can reduce such noise using initial blending. When set to partial, we can see the clutter is reduced. And it is further reduced when set to complete. To get rid of these, we have to manually edit the segmented image. What's the segmented image? The segmented image is an intermediate result. By modifying the segmented image, you can modify and fix the vector. To edit the segmented image, click the Edit Image icon over here. This will bring an image editor with necessary editing functionalities. Over here, you can find different revisions of the segmented image. You can jump to a previous revision if you want. Currently, we have only one revision because we are editing the image for the first time. Using this, you can switch between the vector and raster. This is a typical pan tool to move around that you will find in image editors. This is a bucket fill. This is a pencil. And this is a color picker. Use Ctrl-Z to undo. And for redo, use Ctrl-Y. To remove the clutter, pick the neighborhood color. And fill each of them. Click Save. When you click the Save button, a new option over here becomes visible. It says the segmented image is selected. We will keep it turned on. And click Vectorize. Now, they are gone. You can also fix subtle noises, like over here. Go to the image editor. Pick the color and erase them. Save and vectorize. Now, you have a perfect vector. You can also add a new shape to the vector. Or change the background color. Now, you can see that you have revisions. You can visit the earlier ones and vectorize them. We hope you find SVG Storm useful. Let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for new updates on SVG Storm. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.